flood warning for South Central Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Northeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Western Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Franklin, Columbia, Dixon, Centerville, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Spring Hill, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Bellmead, Kingston Springs, Thompson Station, Pegram, Burns, Bellevue, Fairview, Antioch, and Eagleville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.